What is up, you guys? It's your girl Alexa Takes a Look, and I'm here with my best friend Mandaru, and we are on our very last group, and it happens to be that I am like really excited about this one just because she's already had a little bit of interaction with this group in particular. Do you remember the video you sent me of the cute guy who got hit by the ball in the face and was like, oh?
Yeah, I do.
That's this group. So we are looking at ATEEZ, and we're gonna look at 2 videos for this one. Why? Because I want to, and this is my channel, and I get to decide that. So we are gonna look at my #1 favorite song, Bulnoria, I'm the One. And we're also going to look at Bouncy, just because I think it's a great song and it's fun, and I think she'll like it. So we're gonna do that. Before we do, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. But yeah, let's jump into it. Here we go. So this is an intro.
Is that the one that got hit in the face?
And that's his boyfriend.
Love that.
That's my husband and my husband's boyfriend.
So, okay. Love that for them.
Everybody, let's on fire again.
That's not your husband?
No.
I'm surprised.
I know, I did like him at first. This is my second husband in this
Yeah, I
group.
can see that one for sure.
My bestie in this group. I have a whole plot with them. I have a younger brother too.
What's it like in Duluth?
Excellent, it's great. So this one's singing, not that one. Yeah, he's not here. Oh wait, no, I get them mixed up. The one who's holding the mic. No, that's my bestie. That's my husband now. That one's my little brother.
Interesting.
He was the one who first caught my eye, but he didn't end up being my husband.
So who is he in Duluth?
He's like my ex-boyfriend, but we're still friends. He's also still in love with me. He's also cute. What did you think?
Well, I'm mostly wanting to hear this story that you've concocted.
Oh, in my mind?
Yeah, let's hear this.
Okay, well, so the one with the red hair, his name is Hongjoon. He's the leader. So he's the one who first caught my eye when I watched this like K-pop survival show. So there was like a bunch of groups competing, and Stray Kids was in it. And this was before I knew this group, so I didn't know who this group was. And he caught my eye because I think he's got a really nice smile. And I don't know why, but like, he's cute, but he just didn't draw me in like a lot, like enough to want to explore the group, which is why I say we broke up, because I never really got into the group after that, you know? And so what actually got me into the group was like on TikTok, obviously my For You stuff is all like K-pop stuff. And so the one who I call my husband, his name's Sun, and he started showing up on my For You page a lot out of nowhere. And I was like, I don't know who this person is, but I want to know who this person is. And so that was how I ended up getting into the group initially, but I only listened to like a couple of songs. And then Stray Kids had their comeback, and so I was all about Stray Kids. And then when I started this channel, the very first video that I reacted to was their song, one of their new songs that came out that I'm actually going to show you right now. Okay. That was the very first video I made for this channel. And so Sun has like a really, really close friendship with that other guy that I told you about. And so like everybody in the fandom always jokes around about it because like they combine their names together themselves. Like they talk about it.
Brangelina.
Yeah. They're called Woosan. Because his name's Woo
cute.
Young and his name's San, so Woosan.
It flows.
Yeah, and they even have matching tattoos, and so like they're very, very close, like me and you. Yeah, and so
So when he's telling his friends this story, he'll be like, "Oh, that's my wife." And he'll be like, "Oh, that's my wife's girlfriend."
Yeah, exactly. That's
it.
exactly what's gonna happen because he's gonna see this video, and that's exactly what he's gonna do.
I'm sure.
So that's that. Jongho, the one who can sing really well, I consider him like a little brother because he's the youngest of the group, and I just can't. He seems like a little brother type. Like if I had a little brother, I would want him to be similar. Because he's very, like, stoic, and we're similar in personality type, but because he's younger, that's why I call him my little brother. Then there's Mingi, who I call my best friend, because...
The hot one.
Which one?
The one that was in all black?
The one who... There was a lot of them in black.
I don't know.
We'll pause for the next time, but he's the one who raps. And
I already forgot, I'm sorry.
I call him my bestie just because, like, he looks very scary, but he's actually very baby girl.
So it probably is the one that I think is hot. Looks scary, but is actually a big baby.
Maybe. I don't know. So I've shown you a couple videos, and you change every time. So we'll see.
It's not my fault.
Last time it was Songhwa. Last time it was Songhwa when I showed you the Not Okay video. It was Songhwa. He's the one with the...
that's this... Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's this group. So,
okay.
That's my whole storyline. I haven't figured out a couple of the other ones, what their role is yet, like Yosang and Yoonho. I haven't figured out their role yet, but I'm sure it'll come eventually. So
I have faith in you.
That I just really like that song. I really like the move where they're like, and then he looks down. It's so good. Anyways, we're gonna listen to the next video.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. That's the one that's my best friend.
He's pretty hot.
That's my second husband. That's my husband. And my husband's boyfriend. They're always together. This is my ex-boyfriend.
What?
They were originally pirates.
That dude's hot.
This one? Okay. That's Mingy. That's my second. No kiss. Which one? Oh, the boyfriend?
He's got a good job.
I never noticed Mingy there. Ew.
If you wanna know how, I can show you right now. Bounce, bounce, we don't fly, fly. If you wanna know how, I can show you right now. Bounce, bounce, we don't fly, fly.
I forgot about this part. I just realized that this is from their last comeback. No, hold on. I just realized that that music was from their last comeback. So this song came out like almost a year ago, and that music at the very end was from their last comeback like a couple months ago. That's crazy. Anyways, what'd you think?
Some hot dudes. Production value of the music video is pretty wild.
Yeah.
It's cool though.
What about like the music? I know it's probably more so not your thing, but
Yeah. I mean, I don't dislike it though.
mm-hmm. It's kind of catchy.
It is catchy.
Slow it down, make it bouncy. I'm just saying.
No, look, it's definitely catchy, and I don't know how to explain it. It's the same way that I feel like you like certain things that I listen to, but it's not necessarily something you'd seek out.
Mm-hmm.
But it's still good. You see what I'm saying? I just really like the work that goes into it, though, for sure.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's pretty good.
The work that goes into K-pop is, it's a lot.
Mm-hmm. Well, that and considering like all of the training and everything that goes on like before they even are able to even get out there. That's also why I like a lot of that stuff too. There's a lot of thought put into it, and this group is cool too because they have a hand a lot in their own production also, even though they are from a company. They are from a smaller company though, so like their very first music video, they didn't have a big budget on it, so they had to like, I can't remember what, they had to film it in Morocco because they couldn't afford to make sets for the music video. And so, like, the production quality was a lot, like, less fantastic as, like, that. But the company basically was able to grow as much as it did because of this group specifically, which is really cool.
That is cool.
Yeah, they got popular really quick out of nowhere, which was awesome. So, yeah.
Yeah.
Anyways, but they're also going to Coachella this year.
Holy shit.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. I don't know if I'm ready for them to be perceived by the general public yet, though.
I don't think you get much of a choice.
I don't get much of a choice in that. We can all just collectively start calling them by a different name, though, so that nobody knows. But, yeah. Anyways, that's all for today. We're going to bounce out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. That's where I got my whole outro from. I'm going to bounce out.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because the dance is like this. That's the dance, and so that's why I go like that. Yep, that's where I got my whole outro from, was that song, and that was the song.
You guys can see the hamster wheel in my brain, like, running. It's great.
But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, share, whatever the cool YouTubers say. I'm Alexa Takes a Look. This is my best friend Mandaru. We're bouncing. We're slowing it down and bouncing out.